on this BuMpY 50-point inspection. From Earth Eagle Brewings out of Portsmouth, New Hampshire, I have their Circling Birds, which is a double IPA. It comes in at 8.5% ABV. It says, experience the magic of Centennial and Falconer's Flight 7 Seas hops as they showcase their full citrus power. This double IPA is a double dry hopped with Simcoe hops exploding in a ceremonial dance of aroma and flavor. So as you can see by the can art on the front there, it's a bunch of like turkeys doing a dance around a burning hop. A seance type thing, I don't know. But there's the rest of it. That's the story and all that in the back. Brewing company. And drink the bird, love the bird, give the bird, be the bird. That is their slogan. Let's go ahead and pour this one into a glass and get this inspection underway. No can on, dude. Just looking at this beer, it is definitely not a New England IPA. It is very clear and kind of deep gold copper color. The head on it is kind of a rocky head. I'd say, yeah, it's white. It's a white head. I was gonna say a little bit off-white, but it's mostly white. Don't expect the head to really last all that long, but hopefully it will leave some nice lacing. Said it is very, very clear. All right, let's go in for the full inspection now, so cheers. Okay, so for the appearance on this one, heck, I'm going to give it the 6 out of 6. In the aromas, it's picking up this deep caramel note, very, very, very malt forward caramel, and there's like a slight citrus type note in there. Not the best notes, really. I mean, this is so thick and caramel, it smells more like a sugar daddy than it does an IPA or double IPA. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of the 10 for the aromas. And the flavors, this one does have this bread crust flavor to it. That caramel is still very present as well. There is a slight bit of a citrus presence up front with the hops. It doesn't really stand out with the malt. And then it does go into a very high bitterness that does linger on with this earthy and piney type notes. This one seems to have like a light body, pretty high carbonation level. I'm gonna give it a 14 out of 19 for the flavors. The body on it I thought was fine for the style, not being like a New England IPA where I'd be looking for a softer, creamier mouthfeel. So the body gets a 5 out of 5. My overall on this one, it's just kind of there. It's to me kind of in an average type range. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. So for the Earth Eagle Brewings Circling Birds double IPA, it's going to get a BuMpY 36 out of 50, which is going to land this at the bottom end of good, almost just going into that drinkable range. Like I said, more into the almost average type brew. So I just want to say cheers. Thank you for watching.